Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Anna Vanila Arts. I'm Anna Vanila and I'm sharing with you today this wonderful pattern, wonderful stitch, and this was in my collection of stitches because I crochet and knit as well. I do a lot of things but do look a lot more different and unusual. So this pattern, this stitch, maybe you haven't seen it anywhere else because it's unique to my collection of stitches, so I decided to share it with you on my channel. So wish you luck in your projects, and this pattern is very easy to do, and it's a cable but with a twist. It's actually a faux cable but very easy to knit and is suitable for beginners as well. So I have casted on 19 loops. Needles are number 5. Yarn is acrylic yarn in this beautiful green color. Hopefully it's enough and clear enough for you to see how it looks and how we actually will learn from this project, from this stitch. So let's begin. What we need to do, you cast on the way you like it, the way you can. And what I do, I knit with front stitches on the front of a work and on the wrong side as well with the front stitches. Therefore it helps for the edging not to curl up, because if you knit just front stitches and then on the back purl stitches, it will curl up like so, and it will not be nice. So whatever you're doing, I would suggest for you to do cast the way you like it, the way usually you do, and then knit with the front stitches on the right side and on the wrong side. And let's begin. So the first loop we do not knit, so we knit 1 purl stitch, 1 purl stitch, 1 purl stitch, so 3 purl stitches. Then we knit 4, 1, 2, 3, 4 front stitches. Again, 3 purl stitches, 4 front stitches, 1, 2, 3, 4, 3 purl stitches, and the last loop we always knit it with a purl stitch. This is how it looks on the back of this stitch. So we do not knit the first loop, we knit 1, 2, 3 front stitches and 4 purl stitches. So basically the way you see it on the back is the way you knit it. So you see purl stitches, you knit purl stitches, you see front stitches, you knit front stitches. So I see 4 purls here, so I knit 1, 2, 3, 4 purls, 3 front stitches, 4 purls, 3 front stitches, and 1 purl. The last one is always a purl. So that was the second row. Now we begin the third row. The third row we need the same way. So we see 3 purls, 1, 2, 3. We need 3 purls. We see 4 front stitches. We need 4 front stitches. 3 purls, 4 front stitches. This is the third row. 3 purls, and the last one, it's a purl stitch. On the wrong side, row number 4, 1, 2, 3 front stitches, 1, 2, 3, 4 purl stitches, 3 front stitches, 4 purl stitches, and 3 front stitches, and the last one, it's a purl stitch. Then now we begin the actual change of this pattern. So to create this kind of overlay, these stitches which sort of hugs this braid, and we will be able to do it in a very simple method. I'll explain it to you. But as you can see, it's a faux cable. It's very simple to do, very unusual the way it's done and the way it looks. Very interesting. I've made a hat with this pattern and it was looking fantastic. So we do not need the first loop. We need 3 purl stitches. Now 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 front stitches. We take the right needle behind the 4 front stitches. We grab the yarn to the front and we take this loop and hold it, and then we push the left needle. We hold this big loop and we knit first loop on the needle, second loop on the needle, and we hold it so it doesn't slip, and the 2 last loops where this big loop we kind of hugged together. 2 last loops, we knit them together with a front stitch, and this is it. Next we do 3 purl stitches, 3 purl stitches. Now again we count 1, 2, 3, 4. So 4 front stitches. Behind 4 front stitches, we grab the yarn from behind. We have a big loop like so. We hold it. We push slightly with a left needle and hold the loops so that they don't slip. So first loop we knit, second loop we knit, and the 2 last loops we knit them also with a front stitch. And basically from 4 stitches we make 4 stitches and 3 purl stitches. The last one is also a purl stitch. And on the, that was row number 5. Now is row number 6. So we knit what we see. So we see front stitches, yeah, we need 3 front stitches, and now these loops that we worked in, in the previous row. We knit them all with a purl stitch. So 1, 2, 3, 4 purl stitches, 3 front stitches, 4 purl stitches, 3 front stitches, and the last one purl stitch. And then you continue with 4 rows where you knit the way you see the loops, and then you do this kind of like long loop, and that's how it all ends as a result of this pattern. Thank you very much for watching. Love you all. Please subscribe and like. Bye.